guys, welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Common Entrance Exam online, as known as CEE. First, let's gather all the necessary documents before getting started. Prepare all the scanned documents which is being shown on your screen in JPG format and under 200 KB. After gathering all the required documents, let's check how to fill out the applications. Do not skip the video as every step is important. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Medical Education Commission website at www.mec.gov.np. Once there, look for the online application button, usually located on the top of the homepage. Click on the button to start your application. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on register and fill your details, including your name, contact number, email address, and a secure password. After completing the registration form, click on register. After that, check your email for verification link from the Medical Education Commission. Click the link to verify your account and log in with your credentials. Now you are ready to fill out the application form. Click in Start Registration or Make Payment icon. Select your desired program and click on the Update Counter Payment Voucher and enter the voucher number or transaction number and the phone number you have provided while making the payment. After verification, you can start the registration. Click here on the Start Registration. Carefully enter your personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Make sure all information is accurate and matches your official documents. Upload your recent passport size photo. Scan copy of your Aadhaar card or passport. I'm using Aadhaar card here, both for front and back. Then signature, and then click Save and Continue. Next, in this page, we'll provide the academic details. This includes your 10th and 12th board name, past year, symbol number, registration number, CGPA or percentage, etc. And upload your 10th or 12th mark sheet in the respective box. After that, click on Save and Continue. Coming to the next page, experience. Typically, you don't have to fill out experience if you don't have any. So you can choose to skip this step. We are skipping it too and clicking into Continue to Next. Now we can see this page as council registration. If you are already from a medical field or already registered to any medical or health professional councils, you can fill out the details or you can skip it too. It's totally optional. We don't have any registration details, so we are skipping this part too. Now coming to the most important part of the application. This section offers you to select one of the options, whether you want to appear in Common Entrance Exam to get admission or you want to get a direct admission through your NEET score. If you haven't appeared or failed in NEET, you can select the subcategory 1, Foreign, to appear in Mecee-Bl. If you have sufficient score in NEET and don't want to participate in CEE, you can choose subcategory 2, Foreign, not to appear in Mecee-Bl. Here we are going with the subcategory 2. After selecting the category, we have to upload our NEET scorecard or any national level exam score which are being conducted in your respective country. Before submitting, review your application thoroughly. Check for any mistakes or missing informations. Once you are satisfied that everything is correct, then you have to put the NEET details as past year, roll number, NEET score, and NEET rank. All India rank, not reservation rank. Please recheck all the details thoroughly, then click the submit button. After submission, you will get this kind of interface. You can download your confirmation page from here. Please keep it safe as it will be useful in future. If you face any kind of trouble or need any further assistance or inquiries, don't hesitate to contact us via the contact details provided on the screen. If you find the video informative, do like, comment and share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.